Hello, everyone, and welcome to Slime Rancher. This is the first video on my channel. Uh, if you hear stuff in the background, that's just the TV going. Yup, Slime Rancher. This is our character. I've watched some amount of videos on this, but I haven't. Well, I have played it a lot, but that's just this one. I have a lot of money. Day 102, yeah. So, I have that. I'm gonna play that world, and if you guys want me to create a new one, just leave it in the comments, I guess. Uh, yeah, I could make a new game, or I could play this one. And if you guys just want me to continue playing this one, then leave that in the comments below. Alright, here we go. Man. Oh, I'm really nervous because I'm recording my first video. Oh, kind of frozen. I think it's just loading. One thing about me is, or my channel, is that I'm going to just rely on comments a lot more than I think any other YouTuber. That's because I'm new and I have no idea what to do. So let me just explain what I have here. I got these. I just removed some pink rocks. I'm stupid. Speaking of stupid, this is a child-friendly channel. So I'm not gonna curse, and if I do curse, I'm very sorry. Yeah. So I'm gonna play, like, child-friendly games, and, if you guys want me to do anything, like, a game of your choice, put that in the comments, too, 'cause I'm original. No, yeah, just leave in the comments below, because I have no idea what to do. I have a Nintendo Switch. I could, like, set that up on the computer for you guys if you wanted. Yeah, I just got, Mochi's Manor, and I'm working on Ogden, but I got the second upgrade for Ogden, because I have these things, and the mineral soil, which is cool. So, I'm gonna sleep again. This is just to get my crops to grow. Return to ranch. And then suck all these up. Oh, and I got the super duper pack thing. I don't know. What is this thing called? It's the vac pack. It goes up to 100 now. That's what I'm trying to say. This game's sprint is weird too, and so is my computer apparently. Because you press shift and then it goes, and then you press shift again and then it stops. I wish it was just like you hold shift and then it's all done. No, but that's not how it is. So, I have one slime key. I have opened up Indigo Quarry and the Moss Blanket. And then those are the two that I have opened up. Oh, and if you guys have epilepsy, skip to that time, like right up in the top right-hand corner, right there. Yeah. 'Cause this cave, I put phosphor sabers, and phosphors really glow, and there's a lot of them. So if you guys have, like, epilepsy or something, don't watch this section of the video, okay? I'm going in. Look at all of look at that. No, but I got my silos in here. I got all these saber slimes. There's so many. And then you can give them heartbeats, I think. No, because they only eat fruit. So the heartbeats, I'm just gonna put into the auto feeders. I'm just gonna show you guys my routine on the slime thing. I'm just gonna cut out the boring parts. So like when I'm gathering like plorts or something and selling them, I'm just gonna skip past that and then like show you guys after I did all of it. Because that's boring and no one wants to see that. Why am I putting those in there? Can I take them out? I can. I don't really do a face reveal either. Because, I don't know, more content, I guess. I'm not in it just for the content, but like, as a new YouTuber, I just like want. Oh my gosh, where do I put these? I'm just gonna put them in the silo. Stop! Stop! Okay. Man, mango. There we go. Back in the epilepsy tunnel. You guys, okay, I'm just gonna walk like this so you don't really see it. Because I don't feel like cutting this out of the video either. Where's the silo? Okay, there's Mochi's thing. Alright, they're all right there. Alright, silo. Silo. Where's the... There we go. You can kind of see him back there, so I'm gonna do this quick. Oh no, he's right there. Okay. Alright, we're good. You didn't have to skip past that. We're good. What am I gonna do? I haven't set anything up in Mochi's place, so I think I'm gonna set up maybe once I get their quantum crystals. Maybe these guys are cool though. The red crystals. Give the plorts now. They're eating a lot of. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's grab a bunch of these Oka Okas. If you've never seen Slime Rancher before, you might not not want to watch this episode. I'm most likely just gonna make a whole new series for you guys to watch. Yeah, I'm gonna put the food in here while talking. So, yeah, I guess my videos are gonna be like 20 minutes long. That's really hard to do, but I don't know. Right now, I think it's been like 5 minutes. So, I don't know. I suck at YouTube. Yeah, you watch. You won't be able to hear me because I forgot to like turn my microphone on or something. It sounds like I'm gonna check. Is it on? Is it on? It's on. Okay. We're good. My headphones are plugged in. We're good. Alright. Oh, someone's home. Alright. I'm gonna cut this out of the video. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. My brother and my dad just got home. My brother's truck just got messed up. It's fine. Yeah, but, what am I doing? Oh yeah, back in epilepsy tunnel. Oh, there they are. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so used to just like walking in here. Okay. Oh, are the Oka Okas over here? Okay, they are. Okay. Just run. I'm gonna put. Oh no. Alright, quick glance. Because they just flashed. Oh, okay. Man, YouTube is hard already, dude. This, uh, Bob or Thora, okay. Uh, is Bob a slime? Wait, wait, wait. Hold on. Is Bob a pink slime? Is that why he's like chicken, chickens? Hold on, I'm going back. Bob, Bob, Bob. Are you a quantum pink Largo? Are you Bob? Hold on, hold on, 1 second. I don't know. I'm pretty sure Bob is a slime, dude. I didn't know that. That's cool. Thora. Drink on me if you can get me these things in a hurry. Uh-oh. 4 rock slimes, 1 crystal slime, and 3 Oka Okas. Oh, why do I have to get Oka Okas? Oh no. Alright, back in here. It gets laggy too. Oh, you get over there. Okay. Oh, we're the Oka Okas. Okay. I can't remember which one she asked for. Okay. Run out of here. This is the danger zone. Alright. I'm pretty sure she asked for 3. Yeah. I could feed these to you guys. You eat vegetables. Okay. 4 rock slimes. I can go over there, and a crystal slime. Okay. If you guys just want me to play like any game, leave it in the comments, cause I'm not good at like first person shooters, and I've like never played a horror game. So it's gonna most likely freak me out. So if you guys want me to play like a horror game or something, just leave it in the comments. I might make a second channel that's somewhat kid friendly. This is like completely kid friendly, but like, yeah, I don't know. Ugh. Old man me. Alright, 1 crystal. I gotta go all the way to the, what's it called? Indigo Quarry. I've played this game a lot, but, this entire cave... Sorry for the stutter. This entire cave system was sealed off from a cave-in when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why the fellas up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In case, don't let that long-awaited bite come from your own rump. Bring some food to calm them down. Yeah, it's called Sprint. No. I think that was the first encounter with, like, mad ones, unless you go, like, to the docks at nighttime, but... Whoa. Oh, while I'm here, I should probably grab some booms, I think? Yeah. Boom! Oh, he ate something. No, not my boom song. Oh, it's so dangerous. What are you? Oh, pink? You. Grody. Okay. I'm gonna go through here. Big man. Big man. I probably should bring some stuff for him. Minty grass patch. Ooh. Roostrum. I don't need the Q berries. I have the farms in the epilepsy cave. I think up here are the crystals? I'm pretty sure. Right? Hold on. Blue coral columns. Yo. Alright, yeah, I'm here. And then there they are. Boom. I'm gonna grab a bunch of you too. Ow. Oh. Whoa, this cave is really good for like everything. Hold on. I'll grab all the slimes. Yeah, because I'm gonna make boom crystal or crystal rad. I don't know why, but the crystal prices for the plorts are really good at my farm right now. So I think the booms are too, because I don't really have any. Here, eat that. Yeah. Uh, ow. Ow. What? Uh-oh, there's a tar. There's a tar. There he is. 5. Bup. And bup. Alright, he's gone. What's happening? There's a boom. There's a boom. Boom boy. Crystal man. Crystal man. Okay. I think I'm gonna go home now. Oh, I haven't read this. I once came here to collect crystals for a little project of mine. Was trapped here for nearly 2 days when those curious crystal slimes came rolling my way and started firing off those dangerous shards. I thought I was gonna kick the bucket. Oh no. The crystals were a wind chime. I bet Thora still has it hanging from her porch. Worth it. Alright, if you hear anyone, that's my brother again. He's just walking by. It's okay. Uh-oh, another tar. Where is he? Where is he? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm leaving. My dad's here too. So, you hear him. Oh, reds. Oh, I'm just making the YouTube video right now. Yeah. God. I need rad slimes. Oh no, wait. I think the rad slimes are over here. Oh, puddle slimes. Oh, please tell me there's puddle. Oh, I need puddle slimes. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. I got a lot of the secret styles for all of them. Oh, that was too close. Okay. And red. Red. Boom? No. Red. Red. It's pretty rad, dude. I think the rad stands for radiation. Yeah. Is that a boom? That was a boom. I was like, what was that? I'm probably gonna change some of the secret styles. I like the normal puddle slime. You're scary. Run. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna change some of the secret styles back to the original, because I like the original puddle slime better than the new one, and I like the original boom slime better than the new one. So I'm just gonna change those back. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's grab a bunch of rad slimes. Bop. What was in there? Just rock slimes. I freed you. Be happy. Okay. Up. Okay. Parkour. I don't need the odd onions. I have an odd onion farm already. I don't know why odd onions are the only vegetable to grow like other vegetables. I think here, that'd be a lot of rad slime, so I'm just gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? No. Wait. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna have rad crystals there and then boom crystals there. Yeah. So here are my rad crystals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then I can feed Oka Okas. Yeah. Puddle slime, what am I gonna do with you? Can I make a fountain? Maybe? Something. Hopefully. Hmm. Pond! There we go. Okay. Oh, that looks cool. Hey guys. Oh, look at them. They're so shy. Oh, sorry. These are my chimkins. I got the mochi upgrade. There's actually a lot of chickens in here. Uh, Probably gonna feed some of these to the boom. How'd you get out? I don't know, but they did. Alright, I'm gonna... And then I can have... Stop. Uh... Maybe since I'll only have them now instead of the 2 rocks, I can get rid of one of these beet farm. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm gonna do. And put an Oka Oka one. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then feed you briar hens. Are those your favorite? Oh, they are. Okay. Stop, plort collector. There we go. Okay, I'll just put a bunch of those in there. They'll mix somehow. It would suck if I got tars though. Oh, I probably should have done something with you guys. You eat vegetables, right? Yeah, your favorite food's odd onion. Okay. Odd onion. There you go. Odd onion. There we go. Yeah. Odd onion again. So you eat that. There you go. Nice. Alright, plort collector. Grab 2 of you. Activate that. Oh, I can't grab you. Where's the booms? Oh, they all turned. Okay. Ow. Boom. Alright. And boom. Oh, that's a boom slime. Hold on. Where'd he go? Oh, he just disappeared. Okay. Oh, he's gonna blow. uh, don't worry. I'm not hurting them. It says in the Slimepedia, world, the slime sea. The slime sea that covers most of the far range is something of a mystery. Similar water and slime, but primary pool, since slime merge. Its true proposes its entirety unknown, even esteemed slime science. Alright. There we go. So, the slimes emerge from the slime sea, so if I put them back, then they'll just emerge somewhere else. Most, especially to ranchers, don't under... Yeah, I know that. Look at the slime sea, water and crops, or even water... So slime enters the slime sea, it quickly vanishes, but it is widely believed that this far from ends the slime's existence, for slimes that enter the slime sea can often be seen quickly reappearing back on land. So, it's good if I do this. It's fine. They're not being hurt. They're just reappearing somewhere else. Alright. But you guys gotta eat. Oh no. Oh no! Ah! I need more odd onions. We're all getting hungry. I go night time too. Alright, auto feeder. Please tell me you're over here. Oh, do I not have auto feeder? What is this? No! 5. What happened to them? Oh, they were getting put on. Okay. You eat carrots too. There you go. No more hunger. Alright. Home. Okay, just suck these up and then shove them in that and then go home. Alright. I'm probably gonna end the video here soon. I'm gonna sleep till morning. And then feed all my slimes. And then I'm probably gonna end the video. Just to see, like, what feedback I can get from you guys. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this and want to see more of it, please like the video and or post a comment of what do you want to see next. That. I don't have an intro and an outro, so this was Brucey Boy, and I will see you later. Feeding the slime. Gonna end the video. Alright, there we go. See ya.